It would also be interesting to mention over the past 4 years on the survey carried out by Outlook magazine, GDC Mumbai stands in the first 3 over the last 4 years consistently.
Just to correct over here, it's last 7 years, sir.
Oh, 7 years, I stand corrected, okay.
I'm very pleased actually to receive this award on behalf of Dean, Government Dental College and Hospital, Mumbai. As the axiom go, what is constant is only change. And this principle he has adapted since he's become Dean of Government Dental College, Dr. MANSINGH PAWAR, who is recently elected as President, State Dental Council. He is also an elite member in Maharashtra University of Health Sciences and also a member in Dental Council of India. So I think you all must be aware about dental college, government dental college. You must have seen all the departments, which is loaded with all the latest technologies like CBCT, CAD-CAM technology. We have lasers, we have surgical operating microscope, and you name it and we have, including the clinical material. So we really want to thank our Dean, Dr. MANSINGH PAWAR, who has given us a chance to have all the latest technology to encourage us in the world of dentistry. Thank you very much.
Can I join you for a photograph, please? I don't want to miss out.
Please.